Hello guys, use my phone Samsung Galaxy A21s. This version 3 GB and RAM memory and 32 GB internal memory. Start unpacking. Open box, look completion. Device in the blue color. In completion we have adapter for charging, USB Type-C cable and key for SIM slot. SIM slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Okay, device made of plastic. On the back side quad camera, fingerprint scanner and LED. Front side 6.5-inch display. Front camera. On the left side slot. Right side power key, volume keys. Downside headphone jack, USB Type-C port, speaker and microphone. Turn on device. Okay, HD plus resolution PLS matrix. About phone, version Android 10, One UI Core 2.1, Knox 3.5. Okay, close this and open Antutu benchmark. Look Antutu score. Okay, about phone we have Exynos 850. Exynos 850, this octa-core processor, Mali G52 GPU, about processor, 2 GHz CPU speed, score, okay, and Geekbench 5 look score. CPU test results and GPU test results. Okay, close this. Open GTA San Andreas, demanding game. Look how GTA San Andreas work on the device. Start game. Game works very good, perfect, graphic level max. Okay, close game, and now talk about camera. Quad camera, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.